So today we are going to make two pasta dishes, and these are specially for Mother's Day so that you can impress your mom with your cooking skills. Very easy to make, easily available ingredients. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to prepare the garlic oil, and for this you will need 3 garlic cloves and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We slice the garlic cloves and add them in hot oil. You should remember to keep the heat low, otherwise the garlic will get burnt very easily. So keep the heat low and let it fry in this garlic oil. This will only take 2 minutes, won't take more than 2 minutes. As you can see, the garlic is ready and I have removed it from heat. And I will let it simmer in the oil, and by the time it will get cold, the garlic will keep roasting and infusing the oil with its flavors. I have boiled some water. Now I add 200 grams of pasta in it. I usually boil my water in an electric kettle beforehand. It just makes my work easy. I add half a teaspoon of salt in this water so that the pasta can absorb the flavors of the salt. Meanwhile, I chop another 3 cloves of garlic for the garlic and black pepper pasta. As you can see, the pasta is now ready. I would suggest that you cook your pasta according to the packaging instructions. I have cooked mine for 8 to 10 minutes and it is ready. It's not very soft, it's just al dente. And this is the chopped garlic that I have sauteed in 2 tablespoons of oil, olive oil. You can use whatever oil you have, or you can use butter as well. Tastes really delicious with butter. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of the boiling water that I saved from the pasta. It will help soften the garlic, and I add half a teaspoon of black pepper in it. And that's all, guys, that's all. Your garlic and black pepper pasta is ready. Just give it a good stir so that all the flavors of the oil, garlic and black pepper get infused with the pasta. It's nearly done. Give it a good stir. And if you like, you can garnish it with spring onions, parsley, chopped parsley, or chopped coriander. So here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, which will help enhance the flavors of this garlic pasta, and I can't wait to try it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you can be notified of my new videos. I'm going to garnish it with some Parmesan cheese. I just love cheese so much. I can have cheese every day. I can actually have pasta every day. So here are some spring onions and some chopped parsley. I'm adding some garlic infused oil that I prepared earlier. Are going to taste so yummy. Yes, you can see that I'm struggling to pick up the pasta in my fork. My children say that I do that in every video. I just like to have big bites of food, I presume. And now let's prepare the second pasta, which is spicy chicken pasta. In the same pan that I cooked the pasta in, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil and half a sliced onion. This recipe is actually going to take just 5 to 6 minutes. Believe me, it's so quick, so easy. So I saute the onions and just quickly slice my chicken. If you like, you can cut your chicken in strips beforehand. It will make your work easy, help you to concentrate more on your cooking. So here are the strips of chicken which I'm going to just lay flat in the pan, and I'm only going to cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Basically, I just want them to fry in this oil. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of basil, and half a teaspoon of parsley, dried parsley. And I also add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then I just turn it around and make sure that the chicken is cooked on both sides. So 2 to 3 minutes on each side would be enough. It's a very, very quick and easy recipe, and it's delicious. It's super delicious. It has all the flavors of all those Italian herbs, caramelized onions, the garlic, and here are some chili flakes. I have added half a teaspoon of chili flakes. You can add according to your taste. If you like more heat, then add more chili flakes. If you like less heat, then add less. And as you can see, the chicken is now ready. Oh, my mouth is watering. Oh, I can't wait to try it. So I garnish it with some parsley and spring onions, and then with some fresh green leafy salad, tomatoes. And here it is. Your spicy chicken and garlic pepper pasta is ready. I do hope you liked today's video. I am sure your mom is really going to enjoy it, and I'm sure she will be very, very impressed. So do try it. Try it for yourself. Okay, now let me tell you how it tastes. My mouth is watering. Really nice. Really nice. So if you have liked today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know where you are watching me from. Let me know in the comments which country you are watching me from. And let me know if whatever your favorite dishes are, please do let me know. And I hope you have a great day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Share it with your friends, with your family, on your Facebook pages. God bless you. Bye-bye.